Smart modules. Modules that fit your needs.
Automating feed generation with Cron Jobs. In this video, we will show you how to create a cron job using the four most common methods: cPanel, Plesk, cronjobs.org, and crontabs. cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and search Cron. Then, click on the Cron Jobs link to be able to manage or create a new cron job. Check on the module's configuration page to know how the schedule works. The most common configurations are each hour, every 3 hours, every 6 hours, every day. Choose the parameters for the schedule, which should match the ones in Facebook but with a few extra minutes to allow the feed to fully generate before Facebook recovers it. Then, scroll down until you see the command field. Go to your module's configuration page, and click on the cron job section to get the command to use in the cron job. Enter it, and save. To check if the cron job was successfully generated, after the next schedule, just check the last generation date from the module. If it matches your scheduled time, then it's all done. Plesk. Log in on your Plesk account. On the right side, you should be able to see a link labeled Scheduled Tasks. Click on Add Task to create a new cron job. The product feeds can be generated by using any of these three methods: by command, fetch URL, run a PHP script. Since the module gives you the URL, the path to the script and the command, just use the option that suits you the best. To use by command, go to the module's configuration page and navigate to the cron job section. Then, click to copy the curl command, and paste it on the Plesk's page. If you wish to configure the cron job by using the URL, go to the configuration page, and copy the feed generating URL. Alternatively, if you wish to create the command by using the PHP script option, go to the configuration page, and copy the script path. Then, choose daily, and set up the time you want to generate the feed. Remember to give it a few minutes to be able to fully generate before Facebook recovers the file. After the next scheduled generation, check the last generation time inside the module's configuration page to validate the automatic execution through the scheduled tasks. cronjob.org. When no other options are available, or you can't access or create the cron job in your own hosting, there is one reliable and free site where you can create your cron jobs. It's cronjob.org. Access the site and create a new account by clicking on Sign Up, or log in if you already have an account. If you register a new account, remember to check your email and click on the verification link. You won't be able to use it until you verify your email. Now, log in into your account. If you see the option to access the new control panel, click there and log in again. In the new version, the data is more clear and it's easy to use. Once you're in, click on the Create a Cron Job button. Then, get the URL from the module and paste it here. Select the schedule you want to work with from the predefined ones. You can select hourly or daily from the predefined options. or if you prefer, you can create your custom schedule. Once defined, make sure you select the Enable option or it will only be saved as a draft. Save and you're all set. You can verify the automatic generation by checking the last generation time in the module's configuration page. Cron tab. If none of the above methods suits you, or if you have SSH access and some server knowledge, you can try this method. Open your console, and type crontab-e. Then press I, and enter, to start editing. Type the schedule you have decided. If you haven't decided yet, check the module's Cron Job section to get some examples. And then, go back to the module's configuration page, to get the commands to execute. Once you have decided, click on the blue link to copy the command. Return to the console, and paste it. Right-click with your mouse, or hit Shift plus Insert on your keyboard. Press Escape once. And type :WQ, and hit Enter, to save the changes and exit the editor. The cron job will be now updated. You can now type crontab-L to display the saved jobs. You should be able to see the one you have just created. After the next crontab schedule, you can check the last generation time inside the module's configuration to verify the feed was generated.